All right, Dale, I don't know about you, man, but I think it's time for another Swivellink video.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, you got me. All right, now we're on point. We're queued up. Let's roll.
Hey, it's Dale Boop coming to you live from the Swivellink Studios.
And Chris Ridgway coming live at you from the Swivellink Studios. So here we are, hopefully going to present another awesome video. And with that being said, what do you think we should do it on?
You know, I just got off the phone with one of my distributors in Europe. He was asking me a question about just where is Swivellink? Where's it made? I don't know. Do you get those questions?
I do. So we are in the northwest corner of Ohio, a small town called Hicksville. Some of us may be Hicks, some of us may not. I'm sure I fall into that family. Right on the Ohio-Indiana line.
Yeah, northwest Ohio, northeast Indiana, hotbed of manufacturing and machining, a lot of quality products coming out of this part of the world.
Absolutely.
Hey, how did Swivellink get started, Chris?
How did Swivellink get started? Great question. So that all got started with the start-stop button. You know, we'd have situations down there where the buttons were getting hit, the cables were getting damaged, and we thought we need to come up with a product that's going to protect that, plus have some adjustability, because when those go down, it's a lot of downtime and a lot of cost. So this is what got it started here at Mountain Line.
And machined in-house.
Absolutely.
So what other products? What came next?
So what came next? I'm going to say it's going to be a cluster of three things. It's going to be our vacuum kits here to create your own end-of-arm tooling, our conveyors, and our guarding. But that being said, let's start right here with the vacuum kits. So we designed our vacuum kits that works with our, our standard base, our standard knuckles. With being a robot integrator, our parent company that is, there's times to where we needed to have, different setups for different applications. So this gave you that adjustability for convex, concave parts, flat parts, whatever it may need. So that's where this comes into play.
And then I assume like the conveyor may have been next on the line.
Yep, so with the conveyors, we could get the belt, we could get the extrusion, we could get the motor, and we thought if we could only come up with a kit to make our own conveyors, because with those applications you got different widths, different lengths, so this was easy to customize, all with that same kit. Now here we are offering complete conveyors.
Yeah, and it's a good looking conveyor, the Imperial Blue. A lot of my customers are opting for the metric, which is great. Either way, great product, great solution.
Absolutely. So onto the guarding called Strong Guard. So same thing with that. In the beginning, obviously with being a robot integrator, you need to guard that robot. We wanted something that was modular, it was strong, it was high in quality. It was hard to find at the time. So we thought, you know what, we've designed everything else. Let's just go back to the drawing board and we'll do what we do. So that's what we did, and I think we've achieved it quite well.
I agree. I think we achieved it also on this Cobot
Whoa,
mouse.
don't hurt yourself.
Well, hopefully you guys saw the video we did last week on this.
This is 3 push-ups.
It's nice. This product, again, made in-house, fabricated, welded. We saw the need. We wanted a good product, and this is coming out in just a couple of days, available for sale.
Absolutely. So also to hit on that, along with the Cobot one, we do have other sizes. We have a standard series that we offer, and we're able to do custom for just about any robot out there, really.
Hey, speaking of a family of products, I see we got a new product here, Chris.
Whoa, we'll get to that. So I knew he was going to try to go there. So we do have a new product that's called the PLX, and we'll be shooting a video on that soon, so you're going to have to wait there, big boy.
I look forward to it.
Anything else, or are we good?
No, we're good. Thank you all for watching, and stay safe.
Yes, thank you very much. Appreciate your time. Make another cool video?
Yeah.
All right, so Chris Ridgway and
Dale Book coming to you live from this. So well, hopefully everybody saw the video last week of this really nice product that's coming out. This is our Cobot.
Really, Dale? You need to put that thing on mute?
Sorry. Not now, Mom.